Alright, today we're going to be making some emergency food. This knife kind of sucks. Turn that on. Bigger pan has been decided on. It'll take way less time. Olive oil. Alright, in this saucepan we're bringing the water to a boil so we can make rice. In this pan right here, we turn it on now. Our nice stir fry mix here. It just adds to the flavor of the chicken. Alright, now that our water is coming to a boil here, give it a little zoom. Beep boop bop beep boop boop. While it's cooking up, we're going to add some mirin. Some sesame oil to add some flavor. Whoa, it's lit up. But now this is so bright over here you can't even see anything. And now it's focusing. Focus is freaking out. Take our rice. Grab some chicken. Grab a scoop of the mix. Three. Alright. And this one I don't have any stir fry mix in. I'm gonna eat like an avocado or something else with it. Yeah. Nice little things, enough food for the day. Then you just keep eating this stuff and hopefully I'll turn into less of a ugly, fat sack of shit. I just gotta clean up my mess now and pack up all that chicken in a container.